In this video, I will show you step by step on how to download, install, and how you can shop on Made in China using your Android phone or iPhone step-by-step tutorial. But before we dive into the tutorial, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can download, install, and how you can shop on Made in China shopping app using your Android phone or your iPhone. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to get started with Made in China importation using your mobile phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, what you need to do is to make sure you follow the step by step in this video. So the first thing we want to do is to make sure we head over to our Google Chrome or whatever browser you are using. So in this video, I'm going to make use of my Google Chrome right here. When I click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab, then I'm going to make use of address bar next. Then I'll type in Made in China. Then search. Next thing you want to do is to make sure we click on here. So you can see this is for Android version, which is Google Play Store. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on install. After the successful installation of the app, next thing I'm going to do is to click on open right here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on agree and started. Then you have to specify about the type of business. So I'm going to select retailer, wholesaler, online store, etc. Or you choose other as the case may be, wholesaler and online store. Then you click on next. Then what type of products do you source? So this will allow them to give you product recommendation. So you have to choose some of the products that you use to purchase frequently. So I'm going to select electronics, bags and cases and boxes, and then I'm going to select furniture. Then I select just three. I'm going to go to click on next. Then email address. Okay, I'm going to enter my email address. So you'll be taken in straight up, just like what you see right here. Then right here, make sure you click on allow for product notification into your phone. Now we need to explore the app. So first things first, we need to make sure we come down below here, we click on my account right here. So under my account, so right here, this is where you log in if you have been create an account before. But if you have not created an account, this is where you also create your account. So for you to sign in or create an account, just click on sign in or join free. So I'm going to click on that. Then, but if you have not registered with Made in China before, you need to make sure you click on join for free at the top right here. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to enter my email address here and password here and log in. And I'll enter my password. And I click on here to agree to the terms of using Made in China. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on sign in. Boom. It's as simple as that. So you can see I have successfully signed in. You can see my name right here. So this is how to sign in or log in successful to your Made in China shopping app. So under your profile right here, there are things you need to understand, such as your order is going to be found right here, your sourcing request if you eventually make use of sourcing agent from Made in China shopping app, you are going to find them right here. Then the review and rating you have made so far, and your messages from supplier or manufacturer. So this is my contact person in terms of sourcing if I want to use the agent. So this is my specialist agent that was recommended by Made in China. So if you want to check your box, this is where you make use of checking box and discover right here. This is allow you to see more products based on your selected when you are trying to register, and some suggested product is going to be found right here. And the next button right here has to do with home page. So if I click on home page, you are going to see a bunch of products that you can check. The more you scroll down, the more the products load up. So there is no limit to what you can buy as far as Made in China is concerned. So there are two ways to source for an item on Made in China. One of the first way is to type the keyword of the item from the search engine right here. You are going to see a variety of products, and from there you can pick on any one of your choice. The second way to search for an item on Made in China is to make use of this camera icon right here, which stands for image search. So what you do in this section is to click on the camera icon, select the product picture from your phone album, then you are good to go. So that is that. Then another way to source for an item is to click on all categories right here. So if I click on all category, this allows you to see all the items available by category on this particular shopping app right here. So if I swipe this way, you see more items in different category. Another thing you can do here is has to do with your location. So I'm going to click on here and switch from this particular location to my country location, which is Nigeria right here. I'm going to select on that. So these are items recommended for Nigerian use. Okay, so I can go back from here and request for a quotation. Everything about the quotation you have been sent, or you want to send a new location quotation, is going to be found right there. Then secure trading. This section here protects every buyer and seller on this platform in terms of trade assurance, just like what Alibaba usually do. Okay, so this is what I have for you as far as how you get started with Made in China shopping app installation and how you log in successful to the Made in China shopping app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about importation business like this, you'll be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.